Yeah, my people. So this is Jamaican milk tissue. Thistle. I saw, right? Jamaican milk tissue. Alright, me ask if I saw because me not really know English language. So you have whole heap of barb pan it. And you don't know say me want it from the root. Because if we now work pan it, so yeah man, for we kidney flush. Yeah man. Liver and kidney, your two filtering system, this are the best. If you look pan it, what make them call it milk tissue, I go break it for phone reason. So you can see bleeding. Look pan the bleeding. You see yellow bleeding? You see it? Yellow bleeding. Yeah man, powerful for purge your blood, you hear? Yeah man.